We gonna catch something, y'all. Don't get discouraged.
I ain't even gonna lie.
Bro. Oh, I've been putting that fish on there. Clean the fish every time.
Oh, hold up. I might got some.
Man, what the fuck is those things? Black thing right here. You see him?
I think I got me one.
Like bug.
Got it.
Oh shit, got his ass.
Good look, nephew.
That nigga got some good ass eyes, boy.
Draw.
Good look, nephew.
That nigga got good eyes.
Good ass eyes, boy.
That nigga
Good
got
look,
good
nephew.
fucking eyes. That nigga got good eyes. Ah, look at my roll dog. Hey! Yeah!
I'm a young CEO, sure, yeah.
We should come over there and bully y'all and call one.
Hey, look at y'all was right. Y'all was right. Y'all let him get first one to catch your fish.
Oh, y'all been talking about me? Hello, I'm sorry.
That would cut you.
Yeah, I know. I got.
I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got no mileage with you. You disrespect me and I'll beat your ass up all in front of your partner.
Got a fin down, a fin down.
I know I got it. Hold on.
Till I pop out with $1 million. Take 20K and put that on your head and make one of your partners come kill you. Yeah, ain't fucking with me, then he gotta grow up. Cause this nigga gotta be straight. This shit ain't get fit in my pocket. I got like I hit the lottery, nigga. I slap the shit out of nigga. No talking, I don't like to argue with nigga. Ain't gonna be no more laughing. You see me whip out, cause I'm gonna be the shot me a nigga.
That nigga got some good ass eyes.
We keeping them?
Yeah.
Ray. I still ain't big enough to touch that.
I gotta make sure my shit don't come on done. Huh?
Hey, what's that black shit right there, bro? Them bugs floating around right there. You see them? Big knot on top of your head, having that motherfucker. Rock head ass motherfucker.
Great, let's set that out.
They got some good eyes, man. Hawkeye having that nigga.
You been touching that stuff with your hand?
Oh, no.
Oh,
smell like that?
Tied around that pole.
Uh-oh, Quisha caught the first big fish. Kid gaming. She went mad and blitz on y'all ass. Yeah, that's the first one to keep.
Nah, why you do it like that? Let me see. I don't do it like that. The way we do it like this right here.
Hey, say,
Yeah.
Say,
Yeah.
You know it's bad when you want to fish so goddamn bad. You gotta get out there and catch the motherfucker with your body. Some bad shit. Using yourself as live bait. The fuck? I ain't fucking around. I don't want to fish that goddamn bad.
That's what I did though.
Yeah.
Dump that in that what's called?
Yeah, I know you did. It's that snake bait shit.
Rule number 2, don't forget to get the money.
I'm finna blow some weed smoke on mine. I know these black fish, they like to get hot.
Go get the money, it ain't nothing else important.
What that nigga say?
I showed her a Zen and she hurry up and took it. I fucked her so good she got up and started cooking. Rolling up big blunts out of
Yeah,
Got it for cat.
that hoe got to go back in the water though.
Yeah. Got me one. Got me a baby China cat.
Where that other glove is?
Yeah. Hooked his ass good, didn't he? Oh. That's 2 for FOE.
Child,
God
God.
for y'all. That young nigga a savage.
Throw it back in there.
He a savage. That, look at it. Yeah, I got some. Ooh, man, Quisha's touching it, bitch.
Nah, I know you and Quisha. I'm touching the bitch.
I caught
You ain't-
good shit though. Catfish. That's what they want.
Yeah, you couldn't keep it though.
I could have kept it. You the one threw my fish back. Who is she there?
I got 4, 5. I got cutters in it.
Hey!
I got.
You better get that 30 and shoot it in the water and hope he'll kill you one. Cause you ain't gonna catch shit. Bullshit ass nigga.
So your punk ass out in that goddamn water.
I can't swim, so I ain't gonna get nowhere. I ain't gonna get nowhere close to it like that.
Come here.
And we recording it, so you gonna go and catch that charge. Uh-oh, got something out. Here's something hitting it now. Look how that open face cast. Look how that open face go through that water. I'm finna get out there. Where you at? Watch this. This is a professional cast right here, y'all. See, this how you throw an open face. Watch this cat. Watch this cat I catch.
Good throw, girl. Good throw, right?
I'm gonna catch a mermaid up out this motherfucker. Bitch going home with me.
That nigga say a goddamn mermaid. And then they taking the motherfucker home with him.
Got it. We're gonna put it in the shop.
That bitch gonna fin your ass. That bitch gonna fin you,
No, I ain't got nothing. Nico trash, he can't catch shit.
Nico ain't caught shit.
He can't catch shit.
He ain't caught shit since Friday.
Got them lemon peppers on there.
Hey, them waves ain't here like they was last time.
Chris, you thought you go outdo me, goddamn, I was right behind her.
Ashley don't care. You got a goddamn little old fish.
I caught a badass catfish though.
Oh.
It was little, but he a cat. You were talking about my motherfucking hook. Yeah, you try anything. My dog can try anything.
Look. How many marks are getting bites and y'all ain't getting shit?
No, that ain't nothing right there, Chris. No, if you buck. No, if you buck. Hey, no, if you buck. These young niggas got no luck.
Yeah. Yeah, they ain't fucking with us today. Ray. Yeah. They ain't fucking with us today, Marcus.
Yeah, they here. We gonna get some more.
Cause you beat me
We
yesterday.
ain't got shit to do. I'm hyped now. They go to the creek next. Fuck it.
That creek probably be hitting
I'm
too.
on one today.
That creek might be hitting too.
Yeah. Like the movies. I mean, they riding. Fucking Audi. Ice cream man. Why me get something else? I gotta watch that line. Mr. Ice Cream Man. Yeah, we trying to catch some shit out here. You gonna throw it to World City? No, you better throw that motherfucker that far, Ray. You bullshit. Nico, she better throw that motherfucker to New York City. Oh shit, you got Ray fucked up. I'm gonna catch the next one. That nigga
Bro, I got a fish.
Tell her
I got a motherfucking fish.
Queez, you got a...
Bro, y'all wasn't watching my pole?
No, they wasn't watching your pole. Queez, you know they hating on you over there.
I told you.
Come over here.
Shit, your ass obviously wasn't watching that motherfucker either.
Kate like taking them off.
3 of them, man.
Yeah, we got 3 for FOE. No, for y'all.
You know, ain't pokey somewhere, right?
It's the top one needs to.
Who told you how to do that?
My uncle. Look, he on TikTok. It's 10 men to 4 away.
Oh.
You got a badass hook on there too.
I hooked the shit out. He hooked himself. Here. He hooked himself. I wanted to nobody had a
Hey,
ball.
how big is it?
Drop him in
Yeah,
there.
you keep